All right, we spent a lot of time really looking at word problems that involved division, but none of them had remainders. So now let's think a little bit about what we do with remainders in word problems. All right, so sometimes when we have a word problem, our remainder is not going to be needed. So when we find our quotient and we have that remainder, we're going to be able to just kind of dismiss it and not use it in our solution. For example, Fred's favorite carnival ride is the Whirly Cups. Each time he rides, it costs 7 tickets. He bought 90 tickets. How many times can he ride the Whirly Cups? So I know I have 90 tickets, and they'll be divided into groups, and the number in each group is 7 because it costs 7 tickets each time he rides. So the number of groups will be the number of times that he can ride. Let's work this one out together. I have 9 tens to be divided into 7 groups. I can put 1 10 in each group. 1 times 7 is 7. I subtract, and I have 2 tens left over. Bring down that 0, and I will need to regroup to have 21s. Now I have 21s to be divided into 7 groups. I can only put 2 in each group before I only have 6 ones left over. You can't divide any further. 2 times 7 is 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. So he can ride 12 times and he would have 6 tickets left over. In this case, I don't need to use this 6. My answer would still be 12 because he can't ride another time unless he has 7 tickets. Sometimes when we solve division word problems, we need to use the remainder. It will actually increase your solution to the next whole number. For example, a group of 468 students is going on a rafting trip. If each raft holds 7 students, how many rafts will the students need? So I have 468 students to be divided into rafts, and my divisor then would be 7 because there's 7 rafts. And my quotient would be the number of groups, or the number of rafts we need. So let's solve this one together. I'm going to start with my hundreds. I only have 4 hundreds, so I can't divide them into 7 groups. I need to regroup my hundreds into tens, so I have 46 tens. So now I have 46 tens to divide into 7 groups. I can put 6 tens in each group before I only have 4 left. 6 times 7 is 42, and if I subtract, I have 4 tens left. Bring down that 8 because I have 48, but I can't do anything with these tens anymore. I need to regroup to have 48 ones. Now I have 48 ones to divide into 7 groups. I can put 6 ones in each group. 6 times 7 again is 42, and I have 6 ones left over. So I have 66 rafts are needed, but then there would be 6 students left over. So this time, I actually need to increase this to 67 rafts because I can't leave those 6 students behind, so I'll need an extra raft for them too. Sometimes when we solve division word problems with remainders, we need to make an estimate. For example, Henry read 83 pages of his book in 4 days. About how many pages did he read each day? So I know he read 83 pages over 4 days, and I want to know how many go in each group, or how many pages go in each day. This is a great opportunity to make an estimate. I know 83 is close to 80. And if I divide 80 by 4, I would get 20. So I know my answer should be very close to 20. Let's solve it together. I have 83 that need to be divided among 4 groups. Let's start with our tens. I can put 2 tens in each group, and 2 times 4 is 8. Bring down that 3 because I have 3 ones. But I can't divide my 3 into 4 groups. So I can put 0 ones in each group. 0 times 4 is 0, and I have a remainder of 3. So about how many pages did he read each day? He read about 20, which is very close to my estimate.